The Luxembourg airport is a major cargo destination in Europe. The airport's one runway is 4,000 meters long and 60 meters wide. For the complete renovation and repair after 30 years of operation, airport operators needed a way to complete the runway reprofile without disrupting daily scheduled takeoffs and landings. The most impressive thing is the rush at the sound of the horn every evening at 11 p.m. More than 240 people and over 100 machines and trucks are mobilized and on the move. The first operation is the setup of the 16 Trimble SPS 930 total stations to guide the machines. Each station follows only one prism and finds it, even if a truck passes between the two. The areas to be milled, about 2 meters wide depending on drum width, are marked each evening by the tiny robots equipped with a Trimble GPS. The milling machines, guided in 3D by Trimble, can then come into play. The machines have a single mast carrying the MT900 prism. It gives an altimetry point which, combined with the GS420 inertial slope sensor, allows a milling precision of ±3 millimeters for work up to 25 millimeters a minute. The milling finishes around 1:30 a.m. There are 2.5 hours left to lay the asphalt and compact it. Because it takes 2 hours for the asphalt to cool down from 160 degrees Celsius at the time of application to 60 degrees Celsius, the maximum allowable for the reopening of the track. After sweeping and application of the bonding emulsion, crews can place the asphalt. The pavers work in groups. The first, guided in 3D on both sides, works to the left of the axis of the track and gives the level and the slope over a width of 10 meters. The second, also equipped with a 10-meter screed, works on the right, taking its reference from the left with a sonic on the layer placed by the first. On the right, it is guided by 3D. This pattern continues until crews have covered the entire width of the track. Between 2 and 7 layers of asphalt are applied. The amount depends on the areas and the gap between the old profile and the target profile. Every night, crews complete from 150 meters to 300 meters of new surface. On average, 2,500 tons of asphalt are laid per night, equivalent to 60 to 65 trucks. This is another advantage of having a 3D model, not only for accurately meeting specifications of the project, but also for calculating the necessary quantities of asphalt to be produced, transported, and applied each night. When the men and the machines leave the runway to make way for the first cargo planes to land, it's as if they had never been there.